Here is how to show hidden files in Windows 11, using 4 quick methods and how to hide them again. Feel free to pause at any time. You can slow this down or speed it up with the playback speed setting, and turn subtitles on or off with the closed captions button. Method 1. Show hidden items from the File Explorer toolbar. Open File Explorer, then click View on the toolbar. Hover over Show, then click Hidden Items. A tick appears beside it, and the hidden files and folders become visible straight away. Method 2. Show hidden files with File Explorer options. In File Explorer, click the See More button, then click Options. Open the View tab, and under Advanced Settings, select Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Click Apply, then OK, and hidden items show in every window. Method 3. Show protected operating system files. On the View tab of File Explorer Options, untick Hide Protected Operating System Files. Click Yes on the warning that appears, then click Apply and OK. These files are safe to view, but best left alone, so switch this back on when finished. Method 4. Show hidden files with Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt from the Start menu. Move into a folder with the cd command, then type dir/a:/h to list only the hidden files. To unhide a single file, use the attrib -h command with the file name. To hide the files again, open the same Show menu and click Hidden Items to remove the tick. Nothing is deleted, only hidden from view. That's 4 ways to show hidden files in Windows 11 and how to hide them again. For more Windows tips, visit our website in the description.